BNSF! I never stop talking back, but I know it. Right here, intermodal cars. Slash BNSF 8214 DPU. Let's see we go. Go inside the bridge. Woo! We're here, guys. Come graffiti gang. Comment if you write this graffiti. Salud. Salud. Okay. Woo! Guys, look at this. Woo! It's an EC-44 train. Woo! You can clearly see from the. Woo! Just imagine laying under there. Nah, I'm freaked out. It's a train, guys. Woo! Lena! Woo! Graffiti! Dude, look over here. Guys, you want to see the closer look? Woo-hoo! Real fanning, guys. Woo. Fifth Street. Woo! The graffiti. Look! Woo! Graffiti TTX! Woo! No, I haven't seen it from here. It's my first time ever. Ugh. I think I just saw. That scared me. Woo! It's intermodal cars. Close up, another look. Here's a close-up look. It's a subscriber. It's a subscribe special. It's subscribe special. Thank you for all these channel, guys. I appreciate it. It's a subscribe special. Woo! It's very closer than it looks, guys. Just trust me. Woo! Keep getting tagged. Look at this. Yeah, guys. Fred. Damn it, I lost it. But hey, guys, subscribe to that channel. I appreciate it. And don't forget to hit that bell. Like this video too. It was a subscriber special. Bye.